currently,
It's not right through.
trying to use his payphone to call Ty's mama. His phone is dead.
This is quality content. Yeah, you could have plugged your mom off my phone.
I know, but I wanted to use the payphone. I've never used one before.
I've never used.
Put the change in first. Dude, we're so stupid.
It says that?
I don't know.
I got a payphone trying to call home.
This phone's dead.
Oh shit, you guys can't see the number.
Dial 0 now. Local calls, long distance. Dial 1. Oh, you have to dial 1.
Ah. You have to dial 1.
You have to dial it first. Oh yeah. No.
Wiggy. Here's some high quality content.
Well, I gotta.
It said thank you.
Did it? Watch her not answer after all this.
I'd be pissed. I think you still get your money back. Yeah.
She not answer?
Did I wait? Did I put it in? Did I put it in first? No, I think you put it in after. Right,
oh yeah, you did.
Then put it in.
Just use my phone.
It's a terrible night.
I don't want my face in right now.
Come on, Mom.
Yeah.
God damn it. That's rude.
What'd you do?
How many people are gonna keep touching my
You
butt?
zoomed into my face?
Yeah.
High quality. Dude, why is this not working?
It's a payphone.
Yeah, it's a
We're in
payphone.
the 21st century.
I want to call my mom from the payphone.
Jeez. I'll be so fucking hostile.
Oh, no, that's my number.
Oh, yeah.
my god.
You were dialing your
No,
number.
I was dialing her number, but that time I dialed my number.
It's my 50 cents.
6,
No one ever said that we were a smart
3,
channel.
4, 5, 7, 6. Yeah, you don't need to point that shit out. Obviously, nobody said we're smart.
Wow, I'll beat you up.
Bro, I'll dunk you. Nah. Let me snag a seat. Let me snag a seat. No!
Oh! That word, bro, that eats right through me.
No, just leave that out.
The word cunt.
Bro, your eyes are red.
Shut up! We're not supposed to say that.
Yeah.
Why?
And I got a payphone trying to call home.
That's all I wanna do.
What?
We're gonna have to cut that anyway. What is wrong with this thing?
You're dumb, bro.
We're gonna have to cut that out. Accident.
I'm gonna leave it in just so you get beat up. I'm just kidding. Oh god, you can't see her number.
Yo, what? Yo, I don't understand why it's not working.
I do.
Why?
Because it's a fucking payphone.
I wanna try it! Bro, I used it before.
Motherfucker.
Dude, we gotta get home and eat.
My stuff's still over there.
Here, can I Naruto run to go
My
get
stuff.
it? What is this thing's problem? Got the goods.
I got this, alright.
That's your shit. Alright, what's the number?
Yo, someone need to teach this bitch how to park.
845.
Like. Bro. Fucking society nowadays. It's a pussy.
Just thank you.
Please work.
Not working.
Yo, just give up.
No.
We've been on this fucking
we're
payphone
trying
for
one more
5
time.
minutes.
Dude, this is the only way. Dude, I got my phone right here.
No,
I
Jeff-
want it.
Google how to use a payphone.
I can't. That's kind of pathetic that we have to
Google
how to use a payphone. It's kind of sad. That light shining through that bitch. Shine bright like a diamond.
Alright, I'm so funny.
Beautiful. Nice one. Look at my beautiful town. Just gotta love this place. 6 out of Oh.
Do y'all see that building right there?
You get the pretty
Ain't nothing
lights.
in it.
The pretty lights and the domino sign.
What? Google it.
Some nice sunsets.
Use a payphone.
We are
Okay, we're
uncultured.
gonna try to get it work. It's not gonna work. It will. Just Google it. We don't know how to use it right.
Honestly,
Yo,
you
this
don't know how to
light's
use anything right.
pissing me
You know
off.
what? Fuck Siri, how do you use a payphone?
Just wait. Shine it on and
I
always wanted to do that. Right? Don't you want it to get
11 steps how to use a payphone.
Yeah, right?
Whatever, Mom.
You know what? I don't care.
Bing.com.
Breaks.
No, I'm sorry. WikiHow.com. How to use a payphone.
$1 to call
Part
to
one.
Mexico, guys.
Part 1. Okay.
I carry
Call
enough
them and tell them to
coins
take
for
their
a
people
payphone.
back.
Okay, we got that.
Yo, we
Buy
just
a small
recorded that,
pack of
Tyler.
wet wipes and gently wipe over the payphone.
This is the unimportant stuff.
It was all figured out.
Y'all haven't been doing this. If you have a bag or purse, place it on the metal shelf.
Dude, we don't care about that. We
Jeff,
just want to know how it works.
Check the prices.
Dude,
Jeff,
we
I
have
swear
the
to God,
price.
You're gonna... Ready?
I will show this
Alright,
quarters.
put the amount of money you
Yo,
need in.
fuck that light.
Okay, it's in. Now what? Hurry
Pick
up.
up the phone.
I knew it.
Pick up the phone.
I knew it. All right, so put the money in.
Dial the number you wish to call.
Hey, yeah, that's good. It stayed in there.
Pick
So
up the
now
phone.
Pick up the phone.
Wait for a connection.
609.
Yeah, you have to type in 1 first, don't you?
Bro, I swear.
You typed it in wrong.
He typed in
For
way
sure.
too much digits.
Now you gotta wait. Now you gotta wait.
Yeah, do it one more time. You did it wrong.
Fucking alarms.
Hey, you guys are seeing this. This is illegal. Now pick up the phone.
I had to get the camera away from that. Some illegal activity.
Is it working? Oh, plus the 5th step says let the person know you're using a payphone and let them know you can't talk to them.
Let the person know what?
You're
Wait,
using a
wait,
payphone.
just wait. You have to wait for a connection.
It said enter 25 cents.
You don't have to. That's
Again?
just for something else. Just wait.
It won't stop. Do we need 75
Where's
cents?
my wallet?
Keep saying please deposit 25 more cents.
Here.
10, 20. Penny.
Okay. Tell us it.
Alright, we got this. I have another quarter.
Yeah, but it says 50 cents. Why is it 20 or 75?
You can edit.
50 plus 25 is $1.
Still trying to use this POS.
That was not mine. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working?
said please.
Did you deposit the 25 more cents?
Yes. And it said please deposit. Fuck this thing. Fuck it.
Oh, you spit.
All right.
Walk home.
Yes.